Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Check This Out. Hope you're doing well. On this episode we're going to be looking at the GoPro Media Mod for the GoPro Hero 8. I'm hoping that this mod is going to help with a little problem I was having. I wanted to get better audio into the GoPro. The GoPro takes great video footage, but the audio is lacking, to say the least. In some of my overhead shots that I've been doing in my videos, I've been using the GoPro camera and my Canon 850D for all the main video work. And the problem is you have to take the audio track from one and sync it over top of the audio track of the other if you want to get good audio into the GoPro. So I'm hoping that this mod here will help out, because up until this time the only thing that you had was a dongle type device that would hang from out the battery door of your GoPro, and then if you had a wireless microphone you had to put the receiver on that, and everything is hanging off of it, and you'd have to find a way to use rubber bands or whatever to try to strap it all up, and it's just a complete mess. Well, hopefully this mod will take care of all that. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. This is the media mod for the Hero 8. This does not fit on any of the other models of the GoPro, so this one is for the 8. The new 9 has one also, but like I said, this one here is for the 8. It says here on the back you can turn your Hero 8 Black into a production powerhouse. Media mod features a built-in high-performance directional mic, 3.5mm external mic input, HDMI out port, and a USB-C connector. Okay, let's see if we can get this open here and see what we've got inside it. Packaging seems to be pretty nice. Here we have the standard GoPro mount that you get with just about anything GoPro. And here we have the thumb screw, which you get with just about every GoPro. And here's the star of the show, if I can get it out of there, the mod itself. I like the idea that it has two cold shoe contacts on it, one here and one on this side, because that'll be great for hooking up the receiver from my wireless microphone. I see that we have the USB connector here that connects into the GoPro, and there is a little bit of padding here on the inside, because since you have to take the battery door off, you don't want the battery hanging out like it does when you have that old type of sound input, that dongle type thing going forward. So this looks like this is going to be a whole lot better. So let's grab the GoPro, get it inside, and see what it looks like. Okay, here we have the Hero 8. The first thing you have to do is take off the battery door. When I first got my GoPro, I thought I broke it because the battery door came off when I was trying to open it up too far to put in the battery, but no, it's spring-loaded, so no problem with that whatsoever. And the next thing we have to do is open up the mod, and the Hero 8 should fit right in here up against the USB. It's a little tight, but that'll probably break in with wear. Okay, I think it's in, and snap it shut. That should be it then. We've got a front-facing microphone, a rear-facing shotgun mic. We have our USB-C connector, the HDMI out, and here's what I really needed was right here was the audio in. Okay, the first thing that happens when you turn on the GoPro is it recognizes the media mod. And that should give us all the extra settings that we need for GoPro mic, front mic, back mic priority, or external mic. Okay, from this point here, you should be able to swipe down, go to preferences. Scroll down to input output. And yes, it's recognizing the media mod. All right, let's go back. And hit our video selector. Hit the edit button. And right there we have a new menu item that says mics. If we hit on mic, we've got front mic, back mic, and stereo, where it's going to be picking up sound from both of them, obviously. Let's start with the front mic. No, let's not, as a matter of fact. Let's take the GoPro back out of the mod and check the audio, see what it sounds like, and do a side-by-side comparison between the GoPro mic, the front mic on the mod, the rear mic, and then we'll hook a powered microphone to it. We should get a new media, a new microphone selection when we plug that in. This is a sound check for the GoPro Hero 8. With no media mod, just the built-in microphone. A sound check for the GoPro Hero 8, no media mod, built-in microphone. Okay, here is a sound check for the GoPro Hero 8, media mod, front microphone. GoPro Hero 8, sound check, media mod installed, front microphone only. Here's a sound check on the GoPro Hero 8. Media mod, rear microphone only. Sound check for the GoPro Hero 8, rear microphone with the mod. Here's a sound check for the GoPro Hero 8 mod with the powered microphone. Sound check for the GoPro Hero 8 with powered microphone. Well, that's the basics of the GoPro Hero 8 media mod. This should make things a lot easier for me now when I'm doing overhead shots. Instead of having to pull soundtrack from one camera, video from another camera, put things together, splice them together in editing. And this is a complete pain in the butt sometimes. So right here what we have now, as you can hear from the audio test, much better audio coming from the GoPro camera now. Everything is compact. I love the cold shoe contacts. I can hook up my powered mic. I can hook up a extra light if I want one. Any type of accessory that I want to add to it that's cold shoe mounted will fit right on it now. No dongles hanging off, no pieces, nothing to rubber band together. Everything complete, compact, and this should be the ticket to having better quality audio GoPro Hero 8 camera. Thank you very much for joining me, and we'll see you next time. We'll check this out.